Hi, and welcome back to my series on how I started a food business. The topic for this episode is getting ahead with technology. The computer age that we are in now is a very good time, and there's so much information out there that you can use to help your business grow. The first one that I would want to bring your attention to is the use of software. For instance, in Beautiful Foods, we use the software called Zero for our accounting package. It was actually introduced to us by our bank manager, and it's been a joy. This software, you are able to program in all your invoices, your purchases, and also send out all your invoices to your customers. You can synchronize the banking activities from your bank directly into the Zero package. There are other packages that you can use, like maybe Sage, but I find that Sage is a bit too complicated for a small business. Zero is simple to use. You can log in from anywhere in the world as you are assigned your own dashboard. We currently pay maybe about £26 per month for the simple subscription that we've taken out with them. It's also a very useful tool in knowing the state of your business every day. You can print out a management report from just the push of a finger. The software is very, very good. I would recommend it for any business starting out. I have not been paid by Zero for this recommendation. I've just thought that from my experience for the few years that we'll be using it, it's been great. You still need to have an accountant, but this Zero package make your life easy. You can also use Excel. These are software that you can buy, and install on your computer to help you in doing your accounting. The other area that I would like to mention is the World Wide World itself. You can use the internet for things like research. There is so much information out there. You can use it for your marketing. The internet does not sleep. It's 24 hours, 7 days a week. So you can use the virtual assistant that you can put on your website to help you, deal with customers even if you are out of working hours. There are so many things you can use the internet for. You can use it to predict the trend of the future, what will be selling. You can use it also to understand your market, to see the psychology that drives them. You visit maybe social media sites like Facebook to see what your customers are doing, what they are talking about, what they wear, what they eat, and what they want to eat in the future. You can also use the internet as your marketing tool. You can have it list on the Google search engines your company name on their directory. There are so many things you can use the internet to do to help you get ahead in business. Technology, like I said, is the age. That's the age where we are now, and being able to harness the power of information technology will help you go far in business. The final aspect of technology that I would like to mention is the use of gadgets. For instance, now I'm recording this episode from my office with the use of a Canon camera, a video camera, and this camera is able to record everything that I'm sharing with you. And from the use of the software Movie Maker, I'm able to now program all the recordings I've done, make it into a movie, and upload it to YouTube where you are watching me now. So the use of information technology, computer age, is very useful in getting ahead in business. Just learn how to use these things. Some of them are not as difficult as you might think, because like I said, I'm not a computer guru, but here I am recording all this by myself. My son was surprised and he said to me, "Mom, did you recruit a professional?" I said, "No, I'm doing this in-house all by myself." So learn the use of gadgets like video cameras. You can get yourself a small photo camera as well, or you can even use your phone to take pictures of your food to put into brochures and onto your website. The other aspect as well is to know that videos are very useful too, because if you put a video on the internet and people are searching you up, you would be rated highly on Google search engine. The other thing that you need to know in business is you must at least have a computer. You can get yourself a laptop or an ordinary tablet. In this way, you are able to connect yourself with the world, and also to have a subscription for internet use. Buy your data so that you are continuously logged into the internet to see what's happening in the world. The internet to me now is like another realm. You have this earthly realm where we are, you have the heavenly realm where God exists, and then you have this internet. It's a realm on its own. And I know of a man that was teaching us to at least buy possessions in the World Wide Web. You can't touch it; it's intangible. You log on and then you open up another world open up before you. We are not existing in that world, but technically we are. You have a lot of businesses now escaping and disappearing into the internet. The banking industry, you have so many of their stores closing down and moving online. So things are going to be happening online, and it's going faster and faster towards that direction. So I would advise you to make sure you have your presence online. You can also have things like mobile phones, like I said. You can do video recording, you can take pictures from mobile phones. You can use mobile phone for marketing as well, like SMS texting, to message your customers and introduce your businesses to them, or keep in touch with them as well. So there's a lot to learn about internet, about technology, about using data. For instance, there's data. There's the key thing now. My son is doing that as master degree now, data science, and collecting of data, using it to predict your market, using it to predict what will be happening in another 10, 20, 40 years. These are the things that is going to be happening in business in the next few years, and I hope that you will jump in, understand the trend, and at least come on board. I wish you all the best in your businesses, and I hope to see you again next time in the next episode. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye. See you next time.